Friends, yes, I am Charles, and today I show you my video of it's a small video, and that is only one picture. And you can see here is a small landscape with two people walking on the road. You can see there's trees left and right, the road in the middle, trees around to the sides, a small mountain in the background, and you can see there's fields of whatever it is inside, as you can see there. And then after I use my watercolor pencils, right, as you can see there in my I use these pencils, that watercolor pencils. You can see there there's 12 inside this watercolor, and I also use that pencil there, and normally a normal pencil. See, there is the pencils, different pencils. And after I make that sketch with a watercolor pencils, I scan it in my printer. Okay, there's my printer, a Canon one, the ink tanks. I put it on the screen, and you can see in this side is a star, so like this, and that is the top side to the bottom side, that side. And after I close it and I scan it to my desktop, after I scan it there, but I put it in ChatGPT. Most of that is photos I painted in PDFs. I scan it to on the desktop, and then I put it through ChatGPT or Claude and Gemini. I work with that three programs. There's also others also involved. And then I make a printing of that sketch. That one. I make a printing. You can see that is a printing on photo paper. And after that, I make another printing. That is a printing from the original pencil sketch. I do not use my water with a brush and cover it with water and then bring it out. So that is a plain printing. And after that, I do another one on ChatGPT, and I asked them to make me a digital painting, a digital sketch of it, and that is how the end product look like. So friends, and that is my final product was ChatGPT. Look the difference in, that is my sketch, and that is ChatGPT's sketch. Can you see the difference? So friends, you don't have to be an artist or anything like this. Don't try. I'll also try with your pencils or something, paintings or pencils or whatever you try, and you put it in GPT and tell them I want to make a digital printing. So if you want to sell digitals, you can use that method for digitals also. I hope you enjoy my video, and I see you in my next one.